Greetings everyone. Yes, Docspears still lives on, even though World of Warcraft is a distant memory. People still ask me what I have been doing with all my free time. Well, join me as I fill everyone in on the new project. Now you see where I'm at. Let me show you where we started. Here we have a 1994 Vectra Winnebago, run down, neglected for over 10 years. This gem has sat here waiting to be given purpose once again. Rot has overtaken this party on wheels and need to be stripped down to the frame and rebuilt from the ground up. Enjoy the slideshow.
I'm a little bit off today. Something down inside me's different. Woke up a little off today. I can tell that something's wrong. I'm a little thrown off today. There's something going on inside me. I'm a little bit off today. A little bit off today. I'm a little bit off today. See, I'm a little bit off today. I cannot put my finger on it. Got up a little off today just to play that same old song. I don't really want to try today. I see nothing in my reflection. I'm a little bit dry today. I feel like I could die today. I'm a little bit off today. Feel like I could die today.
Now that everyone is caught up, let's take a tour of where we were at the time I shot this video. All the rotted wood is gone. The engine, a 454 Chevy Big Block, lives again. Just needs some love. The dash had to be cut out just to clean the bugs out. Vectra, also the name of Hewlett-Packard's business line of PC, moving up to one hell of a sunroof. We might be forced to patch that. We pressure washed the subfloors and undercarriage. So now let's get to the fun stuff. The rebuild.
I told a little white lie today. I smiled and told someone I loved them. I had to say goodbye today to someone that I love. I couldn't even cry today. I think my heart is finally broken. Didn't need a reason why today. I don't need a reason why today. Madness crashed a little bit hard today. Crashed a little too hard today. Everybody sing. Today, something down inside me feels so different. Just a little bit off today. You can all fuck off today. Another sun sets down behind me. Another day comes crashing in. There's a whispering wind that's blowing. There's a storm that's closing in. I can hear the trains, they're rolling to a place I've never been. And I can feel her breath beside me with an empty glass of gin. As the darkness settles in, I can hear her voice again. I can hear your voice reflection.